Okay guys, so this is the Boat Stone 230, that is the new speaker by Boat. And this was the unboxing video. This is the speaker itself and it looks pretty good. This time the build is better than the other Boat speakers, and I think it is because of the price range that this comes in. Guys, so this is the Boat Stone 230, which is the latest speaker by Boat. So this video is just the unboxing video, and the review will be in the description as well as it will pop up right now, and you can watch that review video for more about this speaker. Bye.